Friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to talk about the review of the gaming triggers in the Poco F3 GT device after using close to 150 days of usage. Yes friends, it's been long time using this Poco F3 GT device, and let's talk about this gaming triggers. So how is the experience of using this gaming triggers after so much of long time duration? So that's what I'm going to discuss in this video on the Poco F3 GT. Yes friends, it's been 150 days. I do have the Poco F3 GT with me, and I did use this phone to play a lot of games. And in this video, I'd like to talk about all the impressions about this Poco F3 GT. What are the things I did like and what could be slightly kind of better in the Poco F3 GT about the Maglev triggers which are present in this device. So first of all friends, it's really good to have this kind of triggers for this kind of low budget. That's definitely, I can totally accept that. For this kind of price, offering the triggers is really a great deal, because we don't get normally this kind of trigger phones for this kind of less price. That might be another reason friends why I did mention that. As you can see friends, overall the functionality is pretty much working pretty good. The triggers, as you can see, working fantastic. And one more quick note, I do have some kind of issues with this Maglev triggers from the starting. So which is one of the trigger is not that kind of tactile. I mean, let me try to explain you. So if you try to open both triggers at same time, you'll be able to get this kind of menu which is a game turbo. And this side, so the bottom one, the one which is the bottom side, which is really good. I can actually feel the sound as well, a clicky sound. I'm not sure whether you will be able to hear or not. But this side, it's not that clicky. It's kind of okay, but not that much. So not only with me friends, even a lot of other users who did buy this black color variant, they did face this kind of issues regarding the one side is not that tactile. That's something you should definitely know. But overall in my experience friends, I did not have any kind of issues with these triggers during my usage as well. And there's a lot of customization which you can actually do it. Let me go to the special features and shoulder buttons. Here we do have the sound effects as well. So whenever you try to open the triggers, you do get the sound effects. Even the animations also you can actually select while you're pressing them. For example, like this, as you can see friends, exactly I'm trying to press the triggers and you can actually see the light coming. As you can see from the both corners, you can actually see the light exactly. As you can see friends, light is working fantastic, right? And the gaming triggers also working fantastic friends, nothing much major problems. So if you're into the gaming, then this will be a really good advantage. So even while playing the Batman's mobile game, this is a really good gameplay friends. I did enjoy playing in this device using this kind of triggers. So especially right now you'll be able to see exactly the gameplay as well. And I can actually see really it got improved my gameplay as well a little bit when compared with the before's gameplay after using this kind of triggers. Right now I'm playing it exactly 90 FPS, you can see here 89 FPS. So which is showing here 88 FPS I'm getting. So it is pretty smooth in this Poco F3 GT. And processor will be definitely capable of handling the 90 FPS. But by default we don't get 90 FPS. So let me to enable the triggers. So let's set the triggers. Let's go. I did install a different type of game turbo. That's the reason you are trying to see different type of game turbo, which is game turbo 4.0. Let me to select the trigger button, shoulder button. Yes, exactly. Save it and exit. Yes, right now it should be working fantastic. As you can see friends, right now it's working pretty fine, right? So which is pretty good. The shoulder buttons. So well friends, in my usage after using 150 days, I did not feel any kind of much problems with this kind of shoulder button especially. As you can see friends, overall it's pretty good gameplay, I can definitely say that. So let me know in the comment section friends, in case if you're using the Poco F3 GT, how is your experience of using the gaming triggers? Did you face any kind of issues with the gaming triggers or not? But in my experience, I did not face any kind of much triggers. Sometimes the animations used to not work, sometimes because of software, some kind of issues. But overall the gaming triggers are pretty good. So this is a quick review friends on this Poco F3 GT gameplay triggers. Overall it's functioning pretty good without much kind of problems. As you can see, which is really very sensitive. Very sensitive and which works perfectly alright in the Poco F3 GT device. I can keep on gaming continuously. But overall this is my complete review friends on the Poco F3 GT regarding the Maglev triggers. So which are pretty good even after 150 days of usage. Still it's pretty decent enough in terms of the functioning overall. Right now you should be able to hear the sound as well. And one more quick note, when you try to open it, the sound comes from the bottom side. If you try to open the top one, the sound comes only from the top speaker. That's pretty good integration, friends, even though with the sounds as well. That's another good thing. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. And this is a complete review about the Poco F3 GT after using close to 150 days of usage with a review of triggers. So overall, it was really good experience playing with this device. So this is a perfect gaming mobile phone, I can definitely say, in case if you're into the triggers kind of thing, which is really fantastic deal. So thank you for watching. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.